the safest stocks to invest in?
I want us to all give our takes. So I covered this earlier. If for those of you who are new, the best episodes you probably need to check out is the one where Mark Cuban was on. If I may say so myself, put on the clinic. But Apple, Microsoft, AMD, Nvidia, and Google are the safest ones for you to invest in. Unfortunately, the priciest ones are going to, like, just like any athlete that is not prone to being injured, i.e. LeBron, they get paid more because they're going to have more time on the field. They're more reliable, less drawdown, less headache. These allow you to invest your money. And you don't even have to be great. Like the ones I just named, you can almost pick any day that's down, invest in them, and look back in 2 months. You're like, oh my God, I'm a genius, right? It's when you start to pick a company or player that is injury prone or tends to draw down a lot or drops a lot in value. Some stocks are off 50% of their highs. Where are the AMC apes? You have to realize that, and I'm not saying this facetiously, but everyone, like, I don't know if I'm making it clear, but the entire premise of the show is for me to tell you everything that I would do in my fund in advance, but help you guys make the money first. And then you're like, well, what about AMC? What about Doge? I'm like, if those were the ones to make the money, I like money, I would have picked them. Just follow and we can run it up together. You have to look at the companies that are going to have a 20-year run. And once again, go to the companies that are number one in their space. There's not a bigger advertiser on earth that is more important than Google.
Mm-hmm.
Not one. Facebook, not even close. Snapchat, not even close. TikTok, not even close. So when you invest in a company that is number one in their space, you're good. And also, CGW is outperforming ARKK. Not to pick on the ARK investors, but
wow.
CGW, as we told you, water is going to be a premier asset and commodity to invest in. Outperformed the hell out of ARK. What is ARKK down this year? Somebody please put it in chat.
Real big.
I have no, and I said this earlier, just because I'll say an asset is no good doesn't mean that I don't like you if you invested in an asset. Only thing I care about is gains. That's it. So if red rice futures become the most popular thing or yellow oil, I'll gravitate to that. But look for the gains in the market. As Kramer would say, there's always a bull market somewhere. I'm just here to find it for you, give you the prices, and let you profit from it.
I think you nailed it. I think those are the five. And I know some people are looking and they're like, wait, you didn't say Tesla. What happened to Tesla? But the key word within the question was
safe.
Safest. That's what I said. I know you didn't say it because he said the safest.
Yeah.
And so because Tesla has so much volatility, if you look at the history of it, right? If it had it has volatility. So is it the safest?
Can we ask an honest question?
Does it have maximum growth? Maybe, but is it the safest? Probably not.
If Tim Cook ran Tesla, would Tesla be worth $1,000? They've been in the 10. I've been in the 5. Smarten up, God. No. Majority of the value of Tesla is Elon. If we're going to look purely at revenue, for my real investors that's been investing 15 years, what's the actual price what Tesla should be? I think Elon is a once in a lifetime CEO. But if he left and the CEO or GM took over, wouldn't be worth $1,200. Tim Cook leaves today, I can run Apple and it'll still be worth what it is. And I'm an idiot. A brilliant idiot. Shout out to Charlamagne.
Shout out to Charlamagne.
All pun intended.
Shout out to Charlamagne. 7,500 people on YouTube.
Love you guys.
Appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button. That helps. That definitely helps the situation. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for taking the time to check us out.